Do you want to make more money, work on your own terms, and build wealth that lasts a lifetime? The secret isn't just working harder. It's learning high-income skills that pay you what you're truly worth. In this video, I'll reveal the 5 most profitable skills that can make you a millionaire, even if you're starting from scratch. Make sure to watch until the end, because skill number 5 is an absolute game changer. The first high-income skill that can make you a millionaire is copywriting, the art of writing words that persuade people to take action. Why is copywriting so profitable? Companies spend billions on ads, landing pages, and email marketing, and they need expert copywriters to convert visitors into customers. A great copywriter can charge $5,000 to $10,000 per project, and top freelancers make 6 or 7 figures per year. How to learn copywriting. 1. Read legendary books like The Boron Letters by Gary Halbert or Influence by Robert Cialdini. 2. Follow experts like Alex Catoni and Dan Lok. 3. Start practicing by rewriting famous sales pages. Bonus tip. The best way to start is by freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Once you gain experience, you can scale into consulting or building your own agency. Skill number 2. Digital marketing, paid ads, and SEO. Every business needs more customers, and digital marketing is the key to getting them. Why is this skill valuable? Well, companies spend over $600 billion per year on digital advertising. Experts in Facebook ads, Google ads, and SEO are in high demand. Top digital marketers charge $100 to $300 per hour. How to learn digital marketing. 1. Take online courses on Google Skillshop, Udemy, or Coursera. 2. Start running small ad campaigns with just $5 per day. 3. Offer free trials to local businesses to build your portfolio. Pro tip. If you master YouTube ads, you can generate passive income with affiliate marketing, making money while you sleep. Skill number 3. Software development and AI programming. The world is run by software. Every app you use, from Instagram to Netflix, was built by programmers. But did you know that AI development is now one of the highest-paying skills in the world? Why is software and AI programming a million-dollar skill? Software engineers earn $100,000 or plus per year on average. AI developers specializing in machine learning and automation can charge up to $500 per hour. Tech startups are constantly looking for developers who can create AI-driven solutions. How to learn this skill? 1. Start with free courses on Codecademy, Free Code Camp, or Harvard's CS50 program. 2. Learn languages like Python, JavaScript, and SQL. 3. Build projects and contribute to open-source communities to gain real experience. Pro tip. Even if you don't want to be a full-time developer, learning basic coding can give you a huge advantage in business and automation. Skill number 4. High-ticket sales. Closing deals that pay big. Most people are afraid of sales, but high-ticket sales is one of the fastest ways to build wealth. Why is this skill a game changer? Companies pay commissions of $5,000, $50,000 per sale for luxury products, coaching, or SaaS software. Unlike traditional sales, you don't need to cold call strangers. High-ticket sales rely on pre-qualified leads. Many closers work remotely from anywhere in the world. How to learn high-ticket sales. 1. Study books like The Way of the Wolf by Jordan Belfort and Spin Selling by Neil Rackham. 2. Join online communities where salespeople share their strategies. 3. Apply for remote sales roles on LinkedIn and job platforms. Pro tip: if you master persuasion and negotiation, you can also start your own coaching or consulting business. Skill number 5. Investing and wealth management. Making money is one thing, but keeping and growing wealth is another. That's why investing is the ultimate high-income skill. Why is investing so powerful? Oh, the world's richest people don't work for money. Their money works for them. Learning to invest in stocks, real estate, and crypto can generate passive income for life. Wealthy investors use strategies like dividend stocks, real estate flipping, and long-term asset growth. How to learn investing. 1. Read The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. 2. Follow investment experts like Warren Buffett and Ray Dalio. 3. Start small. Invest $100 per month and let compound interest work for you. Pro tip: the earlier you start investing, the more wealth you'll accumulate over time. 7. Conclusion. Call to action. Now that you know the top 5 high-income skills, which one will you start learning today? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos on building wealth.